Today we're replacing the ball stop or the ball catch on the top of a door. You can see this spring is pretty much shot. The ball bearing, I have no idea where it is. And I'll post down below where you can get a replacement kit. So you just come in here with a scraper and lift the old one out. And then if you're lucky, or you don't really care about matching the hardware, you can just take one or try to find one the same color and pop it down like that. And you're done. It's just that simple. Now for adjustments, what I found best is a pair of tweezers, especially one that has an angle like this, that you can get in there and turn it. So if it's too low, you turn it clockwise to raise up the ball catch. And if it's too high, you use tweezers and you go counterclockwise till it's the right height that you want. Let me show you what the inside of this thing looks like so you can get an idea of what you're up against. First of all, this is what comes in a kit. For $2.50 you can solve your problem. That's like a darkened bronze. It looks like they've taken copper and kind of put a black coating on it. There's also a sleeve on many of these. This one's pretty tight. If your hole is smaller, you just put that guy in. If you need the sleeve and it has a couple little dimples here to pressure fit it a little better. Now the way this works is this is on top of your door, comes in, and it goes in that little slot. So this goes in the door frame with these two screws. Here are the two that failed. So let's go into a little detail of what happens. There's four parts if you include the ball bearing. There's this sleeve, and then this screw, and that's the pressure for the ball. These tweezers, especially the ones on the angle, are the best way to take and move this inner sleeve in and out to adjust the height. Okay, so here you can see one that's failed. It just goes right straight through. So what you've done, if you've lost the little two pieces here on either side, they just break off. So you can kind of see maybe in here. There's not much of a difference, but enough to make a difference. See, because if I take this piece here, that ball's not going through. So what I've found is you don't want to have this sleeve on too high a pressure. You do want the ball to be just high enough to go in to this here, because if you put too much pressure on it, then that thing's just going to bounce back and forth and it's going to wear out here on either side. And then the bearing pops out and you've got this, and you've got to replace it. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in home repairs, designs of all kinds, making and breaking stuff, I do evaluations and development of sports gear, photography equipment. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.